Hello everyone. In this video I will show how to fix the problem when we create the new database in Odoo and it does not show in the database manager selector. Always show only the active database which we currently working, but newly created databases are not shown in the menu. This usually happens because of an incorrect dbfilter configuration inside the odoo.config file. Look for the dbfilter line. In some cases, the filter is empty and Odoo does not properly list database. So we manually assign to dot static and restart the server. Now it should appear the database. All the databases should be appear here. That problem fixed. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Techpoler for more Odoo troubleshooting problems solution. Thank you.